मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्।
Namaste friends. Today's lesson is how to identify your friend and enemy planet in your chart. This is the most important and complicated chapter in astrology to identify that which planets are your friend and which are your enemy. Your auspicious and inauspicious planets in your chart. To find the auspicious and inauspicious dosha timing, profession, prosperity, and money matter, you have to identify those planets first. Each and everywhere in life, to know anything, any event, you have to identify the auspicious or inauspicious planets in your chart first. From over 30 years of experience, I can say that the technique which I am going to teach you is the ultimate and best. Now, this is an example chart. Please follow my cursor. This is the Rashi chart. You can say the D1, and this is Navamsha chart, D9. At first, make a list of inauspicious planets as mentioned below, as I am telling you. Rule number 1. Count the distance from D1 placement to D9 placement. If the distance is 8th or 12th, then the planet is inauspicious. In this given chart, Sun is in Leo in D1. Please follow my cursor. In D1, Sun is in Leo. Here, please follow my cursor. And in Cancer in D9, please follow my cursor. Sun is here in D9. So Leo to Cancer is 12th. So Sun is inauspicious. Moon is in Aries in D1. Where is Moon? Please follow my cursor. In D1, Moon is in Aries. And in Scorpio in D9, please follow my cursor. Moon is here. So Aries to Scorpio is 8th. So Moon is inauspicious. Now, rule number 2. Occupant of 12th and 8th. Please exclude Jupiter in D9. You can see here, Sun and Rahu are the occupant of 12th in D9. Please follow my cursor. In D9, here is the ascendant, Sun and Rahu are here in 12th. So, the Sun and Rahu are the inauspicious planets. So, we got Sun, Moon and Rahu as inauspicious. Now, we have to identify the auspicious planets from the remaining planets. To do so, rule number 1. Count the distance from D1 placement to D9 placement. If the distance is 1st, 2nd, 5th, 9th or 11th, then the planet is auspicious. In this given chart, look at the Mars. Mars is in Taurus in D1. Please follow my cursor. Mars is in Taurus in D1. And in Taurus in D9 also. Taurus to Taurus is first, so Mars is auspicious. Jupiter is in Aries in D1. Please follow my cursor. Jupiter is in Aries also. And also in Aries in D9. Please follow my cursor. So, Aries to Aries is first. That's why Jupiter is auspicious. Now look at the Venus. Venus is in Leo in D1. Please follow my cursor. Venus is in Leo in D1 and in Gemini in D9. Here, please follow my cursor. Venus is in Gemini in D9. So Leo to Gemini is 11th. That's why Venus is auspicious. Now look at the Ketu. Ketu is in Taurus in D1. Here, D1. Ketu is in Taurus. And in Capricorn in D9. Please follow my cursor. In Capricorn in D9. Taurus to Capricorn is 9. So Ketu is auspicious. Finally, we got Mars, Jupiter, Venus, and Ketu as auspicious planets, and Sun, Moon, and Rahu as inauspicious planets. Please remember that this technique is most valuable technique in astrology. I have discovered this technique from my last 30 years of research, and I have never seen this method to fail in my life. So, please follow this technique. At first, learn this technique carefully. You have to watch this video several times to learn this technique accurately and then apply it. And this is my guarantee that you will be surprised to see the accuracy of this technique. So, goodbye and namaste.